You've done a good job watching him.
Oh,
Can you still see him?
Twice he's picked his head out, and I've gone and stood up, and he's moved back in.
So he's underneath.
He's underneath that unit. When he sticks his head out, it's level with that brick that's at an angle at the back there. So I think this unit can't really be moved. It's sitting on a couple of concrete blocks, but I imagine that there'll be a hollow bit sort of underneath. Yeah.
How big?
Not very big. He's quite small actually.
There he is. I don't see you. Oh, look at you, you little angry little guy.
Tiger?
Yeah. Now this is how we catch snakes in this part of the world. Yes, it's quite angry, but you know you're gonna see these guys around all the time.
Is he small or?
Oh, that's about. Can you see that? He's really angry, isn't he?
He's been bite something.
Yeah, they only bite when they're really scared, like this one is. He's totally afraid at the moment. So I'll bag him up and I'll get him out your way.
Busy time at the moment?
Oh yeah, well, we've just come from Portsea to picking up a tiger snake and now we're down here again. So yeah, it's getting like that.